DJI just released a much needed firmware update for the Osmo Action 3, adding features that make it competitive with the GoPro Hero 11 Black and the Insta360 X3. In order to get the update, you'll need your camera and have the DJI Mimo app on your phone. You open up the app, turn on your camera, and you should receive a notification that the firmware update is available, and it will connect, and it takes a few minutes to get up and going, and you'll have all these new features. We can now record in HDR mode. High dynamic range creates more contrast in the image and makes richer colors. It's great if you're recording on a bright sunny day. 10-bit shooting has been added to the Decenter-like color profile. The ability to shoot in 10-bit is great if you want to color grade your footage. The image straight out of the camera is going to look flat, but the dynamic range has actually been extended, allowing you to adjust the light and dark elements of the footage without losing any detail. I'm going to continue to bring you the latest action camera news, reviews, and how-tos, so make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. They added enhanced image quality, which extends the dynamic range, which brings out more of the highlights and shadows in the images. Next, we have timecode synchronization, which makes it easier to edit your videos if you use multiple cameras. Let me know in the comments which of these new features excites you the most. A great feature for you Android users is USB on the go connection, or OTG. This allows you to connect directly to the camera from your Android device using a USB-C cable. I thought the stabilization on the camera was great how it was, but it's also been improved with Rocksteady Plus. There will be an additional crop-in on the image though. I've never live streamed with an action camera, but now you have the ability to live stream holding the camera vertical in the 16:9 format. They added another field of view option. You can now set it to narrow. I tried to get it to work in the camera, but for some reason I did not have that feature available. I'm not sure what happened, but when I went into the app and used it on my phone, the narrow field of view was there, so I'm not sure what's going on with that, if it's a bug or just something I'm missing on the camera. But there now is the ability to go narrow, which I guess would be the equivalent to linear on Hero. Now the auto off setting allows you to set it to 1 minute or 2 minutes, and Arabic is now a supported language in the system settings. To learn more about the Osmo Action 3, the Insta360 X3, and the GoPro Hero 11 Black, check out this video here.